Hello guys, welcome to the newly rebranded channel. It was originally JadenBTV, but now I've changed it to Runic. Today we are going to be trying to beat the world record for the Birdman Challenge, the highest distance. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be glitchless, but the guy that had the record, I believe, definitely used wind bombs. That's his main method. His record was 7,869.3 meters. And it was placed by Let's Play Together Gaming. You should go check him out if you want to see the full video on how he got the record. But today I'm going to be using the BBL glitch to hopefully obtain this record. I have already done this in the past, but did not record it. So I'm going to record it now. If we talk to this guy after, he will tell us what my original record was, so we can find that out after. But other than that, let's get into it. So here's a quick tutorial on how to do the BBL first before I actually do it. Actually, I have to go talk to him first, so let's do that. Kind of strange Shay calls it a Birdman challenge. Don't know why I can't just say a flying challenge, but we'll go with it. Also, I don't know what this man is pointing towards, to be honest. But he's got some massive arm strength to be constantly pointing towards that direction. But, anyways, let's start the glitch. So first you want to put down a bomb. I've already done that. You saw it. Take out the shield. You need a shield, sword, and... No, all you need is a shield and a bow. So, take out your shield. Press your bow drawing button, so ZR for me, or ZR, whatever you want to call it, and A, or the pick, whatever your pickup button is, at the exact same time. Oh, messed up. There you go, got it. Then you want to jump up, like this, unequip the bomb with the B button, or whatever button you have it, again. And then go into your menu very quickly, not at the same time, but you want to press the B button first and then the menu button, but very quickly. So, if you did it right, you'll see the bomb is in Link's hand on his side. That's how you know you did it normally. Then you want to remove your shield, and if he's still holding it, then you did it right. Now, what you want to do is draw your bow fully, cancel it, and then you want to run to any ledge that Link can do the step-up animation on. Once you do this, the BBL starts, and you start to fly. This happens because Link is in a animation, in the step-up animation, and is forced away from the ledge, I believe, making him unable to finish. Oh, messed it up there. Gonna have to retry. So he's unable to finish the animation, making him forced to fly, pretty much. That's a very brief explanation on how it works. But, now, let's go for the world record. If we see right now, this is my actual record. 8,219.5 meters. So, I have already beaten this. I believe that is actually the maximum distance that you can get because there's a barrier. But let's go for it again, but this time on camera. Alright. So, I've already given you the explanation on how to do the BBL, so I'm just going to do it very quickly. Oh, don't have a shield equipped. probably want to take my left hand, put it on the B button. If you're left-handed, then this is actually much easier, in my opinion, because your hand will already be in the right place. For me, I had to do a very awkward sequence to start, because I'm right-handed. Also, once you're in a BBL, you want to shake from side to side very quickly. Or, not very quickly, it doesn't matter, but you want to shake from side to side relatively quickly. And that'll push Link faster. And then from time to time, just stop shaking and... Oh, forgot to press the B button. Alright, let's retry that. So, what I was saying is you have to shake it from side to side really fast, as you can hear, probably. I'm taking the joystick and just moving it from left to right really fast. That's what you have to do. And when you're doing that, you also have to hold the B button. So never let go of the B button unless you want to stop your flight. And always aim in one direction on your joystick, or else you'll stop your flight. So, that being said, let's try this again. Landing elevation, wind direction, stamina usage. I'm not going to use a single one of those. I'm just going to cheat my way through this. Okay, that was bad. Okay, I'm messing up a lot now. There we go. This is much more consistent than a wind bomb, in my opinion. It's also used about 4 times in the speedrun world record. So, fun fact there. Also, it doesn't matter how fast you go on this, it's the distance. Alright, well, gotta try that again. Let go of the B. Man, I flew 8,000 meters before. Don't call my performance paltry. Alright, let's retry that really quickly this time. Alright. There we go. That was a perfect BBL right there, really quickly. As you can see, it's freezing up. That's not your device. That is the game reaching an object's or Link's terminal velocity, meaning that it caps out and stops Link randomly. Right now, this is actually just lag, but eventually, it's loading lag. But eventually, Link probably will just stop in his tracks unless I keep the speed down. Relatively can. I can still go really fast, but not super fast. You can also just aim towards your camera for a while. That will slow you down, but it also makes it more controlled. So, my route is you just fly until you see those 2 mountains I just passed, go towards this tower, and start turning right about here. A little bit, and then you want to turn until you, and to turn you also have to face in the in the opposite direction, or in the direction that you want to go. Link will face the opposite direction that you want to go. And we want to go for, there you go, see, completely slowed down. That was terminal velocity. So this is the farthest we've reached so far, I believe. So, oh, gotta make Link face the camera. Alright, there, let's just float from here. Not going very fast anymore, so let's start moving faster. There you go, now we're moving. So 7,300, we're about to beat it. And we've beaten it. Now let's try to get the maximum distance that we can. I actually beat it. I beat my record. Well, very successful run. Perfect. 8,220 meters. New record for me. 100 rupees, that's totally worth it. So, we're done here. So, that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments if you want to see another game, or if you want to see the playthrough for Breath of the Wild, Tears of the Kingdom, not Breath of the Wild, Tears of the Kingdom, Legend of Zelda, Tears of the Kingdom, the new sequel to this game. And make sure to subscribe and check out Let's Play Together, and it's the number 2 instead of Together Gaming, for his speedrun, or not his speedrun, his record. Yeah. So, thank you so much for watching. Leave any ideas that you want to see in the future in the comments. See you guys next time.